Hello, and welcome to Notre Dame Academy.
Today, we find ourselves not in an era of change, but rather in a change of era. We're preparing young women for careers we cannot name in industries we haven't even imagined yet. Our work promoting growth mindset, habits of mind, and preparing girls for an unknown future has been instrumental in redefining and setting a new standard in Catholic education for the 21st century. While the course options, athletic teams, and uniforms have evolved over the last 70 years, the most important component of our community has remained the same: our girls. The NDA girl is a woman of faith who lives her Catholic values and witnesses God's provident care. She is a woman of excellence who uses her voice to defend the rights, dignity, and dreams of others. And she is a woman of service and compassion. Your 4 years of high school mark a period of transformative development. You need more than a school to support you. You need comprehensive education and a nurturing environment as you discern who you're called to be. Are you a girl who is growing in perseverance? Who is passionate in pursuit of her dreams? Who leads fearlessly? We invite you to learn more about NDA and discover how our diverse community can be part of your special story. I hope you'll be inspired to join the 300 current students and more than 6,000 Notre Dame Academy alumni who are making a difference worldwide.